Attention industry vendors, we have received countless testimonials from many of you SVG affiliates about new clients you have taken on as a result of being a member of our Private SVG Facebook page. Some of you have told us that your business has doubled this last year from the connections you made on the Private SVG Facebook page and attending the WTS conference. We appreciate that and love to hear of your continued success. Because of this, we want to ensure all industry vendors are aware of the SVG affiliate marketing program and how SVG can help promote your brand, your offer, and your company to thousands of industry contractors on a weekly and monthly basis, leading up to the annual Wind to Storm Conference and Trade Show Expo. If you are a supplier, vendor, manufacturer, lead generator, estimating and supplementing company, CRM or drone company, SEO, Facebook ad company, or any type of service provider to industry contractors, pay close attention. We get calls daily from contractors from all around the country on whom to use for this service or that service and whom to trust. And we provide many referrals that we get on a daily basis to SVG affiliate members. We also help connect many industry vendors with contractors on a daily basis on our Private SVG page, consisting of over 7,500 mainly owners and managers in the contracting industry. As most of you may already know, only approved SVG affiliate partners can post their links and offer their services on the Private SVG page. SVG spends a considerable amount of time and resources monitoring this page for non-approved vendors and deleting them, as well as promoting and connecting approved affiliate partners with industry contractors on a daily basis. Currently, we have many outside vendors wanting to join the SVG page, but only allow a small handful in each category, mainly SVG affiliate members. We do this so our page will not become a moving billboard with many unknown and unapproved service providers trying to post, pitch, and connect with industry contractors in our network. We want to keep the SVG Facebook page special for SVG affiliates, whom are the best providers in each category that serves industry contractors. We look forward to helping all industry vendors continue to connect, increase your customers, help grow your brands to our growing network of industry contractors. So here's the key features to an SVG affiliate membership. Access to connect to over 7,500 roofing and general contractors, mainly owners and managers on the Private SVG page. The ability to post your advertising, promotion, offer, or link to your company website or landing page once per day on the Private SVG page. We even create your own web page on our main SVG website, along with a quick connect lead button where leads get forwarded to you in real time when they come in. We also include an introduction of your company products or services by the SVG staff on our private page as a vetted SVG affiliate partner. In addition, our SVG team will advertise and promote your links on both our private and public pages with a combined reach of over 10,000 plus industry professionals. We also offer dispute resolution and reputation management for our SVG affiliate members. And the SVG team will help resolve any disputes privately, as we always have. Also included is an opportunity to be featured on the SVG Speakeasy with an audience reach of over 50,000 plus industry contractors and industry professionals. For a limited time offer, we also have a bonus where you can take advantage of our Infusionsoft email database, which reaches over 50,000 industry contractors and professionals with your offer, service, or message. So contact SVG if you have any interest in joining the SVG Affiliate Partner Network. Let us help you double or triple your exposure, your company, your brand, your offering, or your message to over 50,000 plus industry contractors all across the nation. So if you're interested in becoming an SVG affiliate, feel free to give us a call at 330-57-STORM. See you soon.